Good morning, children. Welcome to your virtual class. Once again, I'm here to teach you the pre-writing strokes of English. In English copy, I have previously taught you the pre-writing strokes, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. I have already taught you how to write within the 4 lines of the English copy. Now today I will be teaching you the semicircle and the circle. How you are going to write both the semicircle and the circle within the 4 lines of your English copy. And as you know, this is your English copy. You all have this copy. Yes, and we are doing the work in this copy. I hope you all are doing it very neatly. Yes, as ma'am has told you and showed it in my PDFs. So once again, watch this video very carefully, and the way I am writing on the board, you are going to do the same way. Okay, and in a good handwriting. So I have already written here semicircle. And today the date is 24.6.21. This is your class work. Okay. Now look here. Here is the first line. Yes. First line, second line, third line and fourth line. These 4 lines are here. So we have to write within these 4 lines. Okay. So we start from the first line. Okay. Can you see the dot over here? We will start from this line. From the first line, you come to the second line and then come to the third line, and you have to make a half circle. Semicircle means half circle, and you have to stop over here. Okay, don't make a circle or a round. Okay, just half circle is called semicircle. Okay, again watch over here. From the first line we'll start and we'll come down to the second line and to the third line, and we'll stop here. Okay, this is called semicircle. Again watch. Next line. From the first line, come down to the second line and then to the third line and stop. Okay, don't bring this over here. Your semicircle should not touch the last line. Okay. Okay, again next line. First line, from the first line draw a circle like this, half circle like this. Okay, come to the second line, third line and stop. Once again, from the first line we'll start, come to the second line and third line, stop. In this same manner you write the alphabet C also. Okay, so that's why ma'am is teaching you how to write this stroke. From the first line, come to the second line and then the third line and stop. Okay, children? So this way we write the semicircle. Okay? So now I am going to rub this and then you turn the page. Okay? After writing this semicircle, you will turn the page and you will write circle on the new page. So meanwhile I am rubbing this, you all turn the page in your copy and be ready. So children, now on the new page you will write the circle. I have taught you semicircle, you will write circle. So in the same manner as we have written the semicircle, semicircle is a half circle. We start from the first line, we draw a semicircle like this and we continue on going to the second line and then to the first line and come back to the same point from where we had started writing the semicircle and made it a whole circle. Okay, again once again have a look. From the first line, pink line, we start making a semicircle. Now you don't stop over here. In semicircle we stopped, But here we will not stop, okay? And we will continue going upwards, second line, and to the first line, back to the same position from where we started. Once again, have a look. And this is called a circle. Okay, once again. From the first line, make a semicircle. Do not stop. Go back to the second line and come back to the first line and join. Once again. This way you are going to write. You are not going to touch this whole 4 lines, all the 4 lines. This is wrong, okay? Understood, children? So you are not going to make this big circle in this all the 4 lines. Only within first 3 lines you will make this circle. Watch. Okay? Within these first 3 lines you are going to make this circle. Okay? This is the way we write circle in the English lines. Okay? In the 4 lines we write this circle in this manner. So very carefully you are going to write, and neatly you are going to write in your copies. God bless you, children.